Alright, Travels with Buddy Nation. It is me. Oh yeah, just taking a quick break. Now I'm back again, and we are going to head back on the road. And I'll do some video. Do some video while I'm driving, just for a couple of minutes, just to see, just get everybody who's watching. See what it's like to be behind the wheel of the big rig while we're driving the big rig for a few minutes. And it is raining as usual. I just did a walk around on the truck, make sure everything is good, and there's all the lights are working, and there's no flat tires, and everything looked good. And I don't like to hang around here too long. This is just a rest area, and it is dirty. There's trash on the parking lot. It's horrible the way they keep it. I think a lot of drivers, they throw their like McDonald's bags or whatever they're eating, they'll just throw it in the parking lot, you know, and they'll trash the place right up, and it's not cool. And there's a lot of drivers here, you know, that don't do that, and you know, kind of, it makes it bad for them. But there is a lot of trucks in there tonight. It's like they're shutting down early. I'm just getting started. So it looks like it's going to be a rainy night tonight. I missed the sunshine. Took Buddy out for a walk today, but it wasn't raining when I took him out to walk, but it wasn't, you know, the sun, it was cloudy, and then the sun wasn't out. But it was nice getting out and going for a walk, getting some exercise. But this is what it's like being on. This is 84, right before the Mass Pike. And at this time, it's pretty quiet. It's a nice ride in this area, but you really got to watch the speed limit right before you get to the Mass Pike entrance. It drops down from 65 to 50 miles an hour for about a quarter of a mile, and I always slow down. And I noticed a lot of drivers, cars and trucks, they just keep moving at 65, and it's like, you know, you're gonna get, I see people get busted in that spot all the time. And you know, it's like, you gotta slow down, you know. And the exit ramp to get on the Mass Pike, it's 35. It's a 35 mile an hour exit ramp, and you could easily go 50-55 miles an hour on the exit ramp because it's really wide and it shoots right up to the Mass Pike. And I see drivers doing it all the time. I always slow down to 35 at that exit ramp, and drivers pass me all the time like I'm standing still. All the tractor trailer drivers, you know, and it's crazy, you know. And then they get pulled over, and then they wonder why, you know, they get pulled over. Major fines. But this is a nice area coming through here. There's usually not a whole lot of traffic. But there's usually not a whole lot to see. There's just trees and woods and stuff like that. like the sun wants to come out. Maybe tomorrow we'll get some sunshine and clouds will start moving away. That will be nice. But you never know. Alright, till then, everybody have a safe evening, and peace out, everybody. Peace.